Luscombe Suzuki Litres offer for sale DH65 FZW. It's a Peugeot Partner Tepee 1.6 BlueHDi 100 active 5-door automatic. Finished in bronze metallic. This car's a diesel car, 15-inch alloys. The interior is finished in cloth with blue highlights and grey middle. Really nice example, looked after very well by its previous owner. Fitted with wind deflectors. Ample room in the back for 3 large adults, and rear sliding doors with some protection glass at the back. The car's got full service history and a 675 litre boot. As I said before, it's automatic. All in all, a really nice example of a Peugeot Partner Tepee. So thank you for watching.